What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you've seen any of my hair videos, you know I love a jet black look. I usually go with the Dark and Lovely jet black, but when I was in the store, I found this Garnier Blackest black and I just had to try it to see how it covers up my gray hairs. What comes in the box? You have a pair of gloves. I always try to double my gloves so I have an extra pair. Part A, which is the developer. Part B, which is the color cream. Then you have part C, which is this nourishing elements, kind of like nutrients, I guess. And then part D, which is the mask to condition your hair when you're done. So these are all of the ingredients in the box. I wanted to show y'all along with the instructions. It's supposed to be 3 easy steps. I'm going to keep this video a little bit different this time. I'm just going to be letting y'all watch, listen to some music as I dye my hair, watch the process, and I'm not going to do any talking until the end. So here we go. Let's get into it. this Garnier Blackest Black. I do think it's the blackest that I've ever gotten my hair in comparison to the Dark and Lovely jet black that I normally do. And if you look up here at my roots, like, they're pretty covered. My grays are pretty covered. So definitely good in that department, and it's looking real good. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair for the next video, but overall I like it. I hope you guys like this video, the switch up. You know, let me know what y'all think in the comments below, and then I can't wait to see y'all in the next one.